Hi, it's Bryant with Gemelli Home, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Gemelli Gourmet Electric Steak Grill. Let's get into it. Alright, and we packed this thing really good for shipping, so there's less damage. Alright, so when you open up the top, you're going to see your racks, instruction manual. Pull this. Alright. So one of the first things I want to tell you about is that this is ceramic infrared heating. And this is one of the only products that's on the market that uses ceramic superheating. Alright. You're going to get a flat and a concave. Proteins are great on this. Hot dogs, anything that kind of rolls around. Can't forget your paddle that does have a beer opener here. Just so you guys all know, all of these accessories are made out of stainless steel, food grade. The only thing that's not is this. So these are all dishwasher safe. With the grill, you get 2 drip trays, a resting rack, a meat thermometer, a handle to be able to pull out your flat rack, and also your concave rack, and tongs. One added feature that we did in our new grill is now we're providing removable rails, just like that. With our sleek modern design, the dimensions are actually a small footprint. It is actually 10 inches wide, only 14 inches deep, and 13 inches tall. This is how I set up my grill for use. So this is your drip tray. I put this over at the bottom. This is to collect all the fats. If you're cooking something fatty, ribeyes, you know, something that has a lot of fat to it, I would put some water in here so you don't get any smoke. So you get this set up, and then you've got, here's your one grill rack. Put it in here the way you use this. Just like that. Not only can you grill steaks, but you can grill all types of proteins. I've done salmon in here, fish, chicken. Chicken wings are fantastic in here. I've roasted vegetables, many vegetables, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, bacon, a whole different thing. So this is a multi-use tool in your kitchen. All right, let's fire it up and see what we've got going on here. So once you plug it in, you heard that beep. You'll hear the fan come on, and then it'll stop. That lets you know that it's ready, right? And then these 3 little buttons here flash just to kind of let you know that it's in ready mode. So to turn it on, you click. There's your temperature, right? Your time starts flashing. This is where you set your time. This goes up all the way up to 30 minutes. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions about our products, feel free to leave them in the comment section. We'll answer them for you. And make sure you subscribe, and you'll see videos of us using it. Also follow us on Instagram at Gemelli Home, where you'll see a lot of our videos and food content with all of our products. Have a great day. Manja.